Today on the menu, Bacon Ranch Corn Dip. First, let's get our bacon cooking. I like to cover the bottom of a pan with tinfoil to catch all the grease. Transfer your bacon onto the pan and then bake it at 400 until the bacon is crispy. In a bowl, add your cream cheese, sour cream, and cheddar cheese. Then add garlic and a ranch packet. Now it's time for the corn. Make sure your corn is completely thawed. I personally just like to thaw it out on the stove. And you know we can't forget about that bacon. Make sure you chop it into small pieces. Mix all of these ingredients thoroughly in the bowl, and then we're going to transfer it over to a glass pan. Evenly spread everything out, and then we're going to transfer over to the oven to bake at 375 for 25 minutes. And now it's time to enjoy that sweet corn dip. Still hungry? Check out my Inside Out cheeseburger recipe.